Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me all good? Should be fine. Let me catch up on the chat. But now we're doing streams with Finn. So me and Finn are gonna be live Mondays and Fridays, which is gonna be whoa. Day trading Tate, bro. That's a crazy username.
DayTrading Tate. It's actually Tate in the chat. Last time we had Tristan.
Oh yeah, we did have Tristan Tate.
Yeah.
How are you
This
guys
must be
doing?
Oh. I'm good, Tate. How are you?
Doing well. Day trading Tate. I started the trend. You gotta put day trading in front of your name, and then
Tate.
yeah.
Sounds good.
Let's see what we got today. I mean, me and Finn will probably just do like a weekly outlook kind of thing just for today. Just walk you through it, and then obviously we'll be live for the open. NQ's still not trading into this gap, but we do have an SMT within there. So I mean, I wouldn't put it past NQ just running out this high again. You know, like 26,400. You were looking for the same thing, right?
Yeah.
To drop back
From
into
the
here.
from the gap, yeah.
Yeah, like this high from this high from Friday should be an easy target. We're nearly there actually.
Yeah, we're nearly there. I think we'd go down first and then just maybe take out like session low and then a run up higher because we also have the data high there. Because we got news.
Yeah.
We got news on Monday, by the way, bros. Red news on Monday.
I'm not audible. Gideon said I'm not. Wait, can you hear me all good?
I can hear you good.
Oh, can you guys hear me all good? Maybe it's just Gideon. He doesn't want to see us win. All good. I mean, should be all good then.
Red folder on Monday. How long has that been? Yeah,
Wait, what news do
exactly.
we have this week? We don't have NFP coming out, do we? No, we don't.
We
We
don't?
don't have it. No, it says tentative, so I don't think it's gonna come out.
Ah, right.
Yeah, but today, like pretty easy draw. We should get this high. I mean, I was looking at this with my Discord. I just sent it out here, and it just absolutely pumped to the upside. To be honest, I don't even want to short this thing right now. The way it's looking, it wants a bit higher. I wouldn't put it past it, but maybe we could just play a continuation.
That's what I'll try today.
Yeah. How many points are we away? Like 50 points away. Should be able to. Is the government still shut down? Yeah, like everyone just decided one day to not work at all. And they just walked out. Oh,
That's
I actually
crazy.
took longs today as well. With my model, if you guys trade it, you can see we run the low. Once we shift delivery right here, I'm looking to immediately target this high. So that was the long I took this morning. It's pretty nice. Hopefully some of you guys caught that.
I had the same one, actually.
You took the long as well?
Yeah, I took the long as well.
Yeah. Today was clean, like first day of the month as well. Link to my Discord. Just go on my YouTube channel. It should be linked right there. How much did I make on those longs? Only $700. I risked like 150. I didn't risk a lot today. I'll get into But honestly, easily into the open, we should get pump taking out this high. Stake, bro, Stake don't want to work with us. They think we're a brand risk. They think we will
We're
do
too good.
damages. Yeah. You guys, we need Steve will do it and all of those people. Togi.
That'd be fire.
They're like the real gamblers. Me and Finn will probably, if we get like a 50k budget, we'll probably risk the whole 50k and lose it in one stream.
What do you mean one stream on one gamble?
What was my entry? I entered right here, like 26043. Once we took this low, closed above these down close, I was like, this should hold. Run to the high. Just got out right here.
Low-key, that 5 minute after the 5 minute got inversed, that was some sick momentum up. That's what I expected because
Yeah,
the
this
5
one.
minute held a few times.
Yeah.
And from the moment that breaks, it's pretty good.
Why didn't I go full margin? I go full margin mainly like middle of the month. Start, I don't really risk too much.
Full margin.
Yeah.
Steve will do it. Let's get Steve will do it on stream.
You know he's banned from YouTube?
I did not.
Yeah, so we can't even mention his name actually. Then they'll
Oh,
shut down
shit.
GuardianTV.
Oh, okay.
Then we can't stream anymore.
Uh-oh. Don't mention his name then.
No, he actually did get banned, but I think it was from like gambling or something.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense.
I mean, Drake has a deal with Stake as well.
Alex as well?
Alex G?
Yeah.
He does? That's crazy.
Rauf, what's your win rate?
What's my win rate? I mean, if I will take 10 trades, I'll probably win 5 to 6 at a minimum. It's really rare for me to take like 5 losses in a row. If I do take 5 losses in a row, then I'm just on a really cold streak. Well, my model, I mean, even if I take a loss, it will always make up that loss either next day or in the next session. So that's the benefits of having something pretty mechanical.
My win rate has been sick over the past few weeks.
Yeah, ever since Finn's been trading my model, he's just been going cracked.
Like, yeah, before like my win rate was high, it's like 70 to 80%, but after that I haven't lost any single trade.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
When do you know when to stop trading? I mean, if I take two, I'm pretty stubborn in my trading. You can say, this is my model, right? Take out the high, target the low. I'll take 2 trades. Like if we take out the high, if both of them are lost, then I'm just wrong on the day, right? So I just can't do much. So I'll always do 2 trades in a day, sometimes 3. Just depends on the day.
I would do 1 trade when I just win, then I'm just done.
Yeah. Can I describe? Yeah, so basically...
Finn is flying. Yes, Tate.
So basically all I focus on is a time-based range. So like 112 to 212. Look for a run at the low, target the high. Like that's all I do. Very mechanical. I mean, you don't even need a daily bias for this. Red Bull gives you wings.
True. Definitely true.
Do you have an entry confirmation? Yeah, these 3 down close candles. I would ignore this up close one. Blend them together, closure above. I mean, we should get a nice run of this high. But leading into today, I think we should be able to get the run higher.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I show funded. Do I know? I mainly trade New York, but lately I've been trading London. It's been way better. Like New York, you end up with just some the worst price action lately. Gold's not been bad though. I guess that's the only good market for now.
To be fair, since your model, I've been trading London. For that, I never traded London because I thought it was not that good for NQ.
No, it's so good for NQ, even gold.
Oh yeah.
GC bias. Let's take a look. I don't really. Gold's just been moving sideways, but if I had to guess, we should be able to get a pop higher, like into these highs. I have a business idea. Yeah, let me know the business idea. Then we'll consult with everyone in the Discord group, what they think of it.
Show us the idea.
Yeah, let us know that me and Finn might invest into it.
Yeah. You'll be flying too. What other pair would you recommend a part of gold? Me personally only trade Nasdaq NES.
Yeah, NQ, gold, maybe German 40.
You see, Gideon is interested as well, so you already have 3 potential investors if the idea is good.
Yeah, exactly. And Gideon's got a lot of money, bro. Like he will buy it.
Do you
He's
use SMT? Yeah, I do use SMT actually, but it's not my only reliable thing, let's say. I mean, sometimes I would trade against an SMT because it's not something that would get me into a reversal. I need much more.
people say sell your soul.
Sell my soul, yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, we should get rid of it. We should take him to Hollywood.
Yo, have you been seeing what with all these celebrities is happening? Like, for example, I saw a picture of Ellen that with that show, you know,
Oh
that
yeah.
she got changed so much.
Bro, I'm gonna be next, you know. Like I've just started this streaming stuff. Like
Oh, bet you're gonna be next.
I nearly got 20k subs on YouTube, nearly 70k on Twitter. Like, I mean, I will never kill myself, you know. So
you're cooked.
Yeah, the elites might come and get me. You never know. As soon as you start making too much.
This guy, Drake will like Finn for sure. That's diabolical.
Finn is cooked. Wait, on the Tate brothers in Dubai as well.
Yeah, they are. I saw them once.
Nice.
But they're hidden away on the Palm, I think.
You don't live on the Palm?
Yeah, I do. Obviously, no, I don't live in the Palm.
You're telling me that you didn't buy the $50 million mansion?
To be fair, that's like the worst purchase that you could ever make. A villa on the Palm. The traffic is so bad. If you want to get out of the Palm, it will take you like 1 hour.
That's crazy. You got to buy a helicopter at that point.
Oh, bet. If you can buy a villa there, you can buy a helicopter.
Yeah.
They're going to have flying taxis here as well.
I mean, Elon said I would just buy Tesla stock, honestly. If Elon gets rid of like old mobile services and like invest into like flying cars, as he says, I would imagine the stock at a way higher premium.
Oh yeah.
Like if you're not already bought Tesla, I'm not even giving advice right now. Actually, I'm speaking for me. I've bought Tesla. I think this market has a lot more upside than
This
it's
is
been
not for
shown.
educational purposes. This is only for entertaining purposes.
Yeah, exactly. This is all entertainment.
Elon is onto something for sure.
Yeah, that Elon guy with the billions, he's really.
I mean, like, you know that Twitter is feeding AI mainly. So
Yeah,
now he has OpenAI, right? He has Twitter or X.
yeah.
He has Tesla. Tesla is also officially a data company, not a car company, because every single car collects data. So every single thing that he has is feeding one thing.
He's a genius, to be honest.
That is genius.
He's ahead of his time.
Oh yeah. And then he also wants to fly to Mars, right?
He's already in like the process. I would go to Mars. I would be the first person day trader in Mars. They should send me first. I would be the first day trader in Mars. Imagine live streaming in Mars.
Would
That
be a
would go
sick
crazy.
delay, I would reckon.
That would be
What's the
amazing.
time zone like? Like, at what time would you have to wake up for New York?
Oh, that's a very good question. I think it's like a week in advance. So the price action that I trade has already happened. So I can let you guys know where to get in and on the market.
Okay. Sounds good.
Anyone missing me or my tweets? Bro.
Pluto.
Yes.
You'll be the first trader on Pluto.
Bro, that's not a planet anymore. That's a dwarf planet. You guys got to lock in with the STEM section on TikTok. Instead of going on the For You page, go on the STEM section.
What's that?
That's basically like the education section on TikTok.
Oh. I didn't know TikTok had such a thing.
Nah, it's to help people lock in, bro. It has too much brain rot. Like
Yeah.
sometimes I might doom scroll for like 10 minutes, then I gotta log back in on STEM because once again, New York, yeah, bro. I hope it doesn't chop around today because I'm live. Like the days I don't stream, like London's always good. Like today was very good.
For real, on your life, it's horrible price action in
Yeah,
New
it
York.
actually is. But I mean, you guys just tuning into the stream, I would expect NQ to, well, me and Finn both expect NQ to get into 26,274. Should be the easiest draw. You should
Streaming
be.
both sessions.
Yeah, true. I could actually, maybe one day. But then I gotta wake up. Like London for me is like 8 a.m. the open. That means I gotta wake up like 7, get ready, and then mentally prepare to trade it on live. And like I'm not the biggest morning person, so you guys will be bored in the stream.
You're not a morning person? What?
Yeah, like every day I'd wake up to like 6 messages from Finn, and I'll read them all, and I just can't reply to them all, so I'll reply to one.
That's true.
Like I reply to the other 5 in my head. The last one I reply to first.
But to be fair, like living in Dubai for both sessions is so good. Although now New York is like it's 6:30 p.m. that it opens.
Yeah.
So now it's a little bit different, but I mean, oh, that's cute. But I mean, for for the other one, like it's 11 a.m. I think 12 a.m. 11 a.m. 12 p.m. that I start trading New York. Sorry, London.
Yeah. I mean, it's not the worst of time zones.
No, definitely not.
Wait, what
New
time's
York is a
London
horrible one.
for you?
No, for everyone. New York,
Oh,
New York time zone.
yeah.
You cannot trade London because then you'll basically have to stay
Yeah,
awake.
3 a.m.
Yeah, and then if you want to trade New York as well, you'll either become a night person or you just trade one of the two.
Yeah, true. I think the best time zone is Europe to trade because you get
Yeah,
London, you get New York. If you wanted to really stay up, then you could probably trade Asia as well. That's like 2 a.m.
true.
Can I rely on the streams to pass my challenge? Yeah, I mean, if you look back at the streams, rarely we've been wrong about a bias. But if we're wrong, then we didn't
Don't
blow
over
your
leverage.
account.
Don't over leverage.
It's not up
What
to
happened with
us.
this huge candle actually? I don't know.
This one, I don't know where that came from. It's the 9 a.m. candles, a new hourly. But it's been gunning for this high.
Usually the 9 a.m. candle doesn't go like this. Maybe there's like a tweet. Can someone check?
Yeah, Trump doesn't even tweet on like the normal platforms anyway. I don't know what platform he's tweeting on.
Trump something. Before he tweets, he has to put it somewhere else so that it can be confirmed.
Yeah. He tweeted again. Damn.
We're cooked. It was Amazon. Can be Amazon as well, yeah.
Did we have any earnings today? This week? Let me see. Calendar earnings.
Global stock futures signal optimism as tech earnings drive rally. Yeah, I'm looking in the background what my cat is doing. She's very annoying today.
Bro forgot to feed his cat.
No, it's just
You should teach her how to trade, bro.
I can just put her in front of two bowls and then just ask if I should be bearish or bullish for today. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Amazon inks a 38 billion deal with OpenAI to supply NVIDIA chips.
But I think OpenAI are going public as well on the Nasdaq, aren't they? I heard about that.
I would think so, yeah.
That would be buying
PMI
the
at
stock.
4 p.m. or like 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Sorry. Really
Oh yeah.
confused with the time zones now.
Yeah, but those of you that are just hopping in the stream, this line, that's kind of my target, or mine and Finn's for New York. In terms of where it can go higher from, maybe if it runs the low, goes to the high. I think we should easily get this high.
What Jazz says in the chat. This trait smells fishy.
Gold's classic chop around.
It has been like this for a while.
Gold?
Some chopping, yeah. It's been going sideways for a little.
I think it's ready to expand soon, like from the 4-hour time frame. It's teeing up to get out of here.
I would kind of check the daily gap for that.
Today's the
For
first day of the
gold.
month anyway, so I think these markets are finding their footing right here. Yeah, if we get above this daily gap, should hop on over to new highs. Dude, this drop on gold, do you know how many points this was? 482. And like the pip value on gold is crazy. I remember I entered like 3 minis once. I thought it was not going to be that crazy. That is crazy. Like 3 minis on gold is insane. You can blow your account in like a second.
Did you get out of the position or what?
No, I just held it because it just fell into my like where I wanted it to go. So I was like, damn, might as well just hold.
You flew.
Yeah, exactly. I just went with it.
One tick down, account blown.
Yeah, if it did go lower, you'd lose the account. Like three minis on this. That's already like 3K loss, I think. Or 2K.
Oh,
That's
that's
one
not too
candle.
bad actually.
Yeah. But it's crazy when you're in it though.
Oh yeah, you see the numbers change real quick.
Can you expect another all-time high on gold? I would love another all-time high at gold, to be honest, because this market's either pricing in early sellers or panic buyers. That's the one of two things that's going on. I think if we drop lower more people are going to panic sell. Eventually, it will start to push higher. But damn, like 4,400 in gold. It's crazy. I'm kind of still bullish on the S&P until it gets to like 7,000. I think 7K should be near enough. GM, bro. Yeah, those
Yes,
you.
to take the high. No.
Oh, yes, took it.
Yeah, so he's SMT there.
Oh, yeah. I still have a feeling that this open, they might just open it up and just one single candle push it to the upside. Like, how far are we here?
I mean, if we break the SMT, it might as well be a open that just rallies.
I would not be opposed to that either. I think, where are we? 3 a.m. potential low of day. New day of the month, or first day of the month. Makes sense.
That would not be surprising.
We have 30 seconds. Should get it. This target here.
Sadly, no entry for me though. Change your hairstyle. I already changed it.
What did you change it to?
If you look at the last stream, you should go bald. I was bald actually. No, not bald, but my hair was short, really short.
If we get like 20K subs, then Finn will go bald. And at 100K, if my channel gets to 100K, I'll go bald. Why not?
Oh yeah, that's a fair target. If we get to 20K this month, I'll go bald.
Alright, there you heard it. He will actually go bald too.
Yeah.
That's the open. I mean, we pushed up higher, I think. It's only 37 points away. Should get the full thing. How did the ES open? The ES opened bearish. I would expect Dow to take this low, like 47,660. We get an SMT down here for the push higher. I would be 95% at Dow running the low. Maybe NQ be just continuing to push higher out of this. That's how I'm looking at this market. Dow nearly there. NQ should push on into the high.
Push the high, yeah. I do not know if I would dare to short from here if we take the other high. I don't think.
No, I think there's going to be an SMT here, and we just continue pushing.
Yeah.
Give me an
It would be hard
account.
to find entry from there.
Bro, you missed the giveaway. We've already done the giveaway. That's a huge drop.
Damn.
Yeah, Dow is one of those markets I usually does pretty well with my model. I would expect it to take this final low. And I would expect NQ to just remain bullish and take out this high right here. Let's see. Gold. Gold's still pushing. I think it has room to take out all these lows, actually.
Was there some news? No, there was open.
Yeah, there's the opening bell. We have 2 minutes. This market should really just blast through this high. I don't know what we're waiting for. Did Dow take the low? Still not taking the low. ES is the weakest. If anything, I think gold looks like the better market for all of this downside to get swept and gone. And NQ is 20 points away. All we need is 20-point push. Gold can go to 3650. Yeah, potentially. Would be crazy. How to scalp on in futures, or can I stay? I mean, you can pretty much do the exact same thing you're doing on CFDs within the futures market, and you won't have any spread. Sorry. All right, gold should get this low. I'd be surprised if it don't. Come on, NQ. I just like to, for completeness sake, have NQ.
I would hope it's going to it's closing above the high and then just take the fair value gap.
I have a feeling because Dow or ES, like these two are remaining weak. There's Dow taking out the low at 47-ish. So as they're remaining weak, I think it's enough to keep the Nasdaq pretty strong out of here.
I think, yeah.
That's how I would be viewing it. If I was going to short, I would look for something like this. On NQ, it runs the high. Completely shift delivery, then get in on that. But ES has been super good, damn. It might just complete my model. Taking on the high, running the
I wouldn't be too surprised.
Did Dow get it? Dow's nearly got it.
Yeah.
I would want to see it stay weak. How do you handle emotional swings after a big loss? To be honest, after a big win, I'm rarely ever trading like the whole week. If I win, like if I have a good win on Monday or Tuesday, I rarely trade the rest of the week. So the best way to handle a big win is to understand that you're trading for the freedom. So you don't really need to be in front of the charts. And a big loss, I mean, if you're having very inconsistent wins and losses, like if your losses don't look around the same like dollar amount or percentage, and you have like small losses then a huge loss, that huge loss is mainly coming from you over trading or just emotional trading. So you try and keep all your losses, or how much you can lose, to a similar amount. Is there an SMT? No, there's no SMT. But yes, should be able to get this low. Did Dow run the low? Oh, Dow run the low. So yeah, as we were speaking about before,
Yeah.
getting the high and the low. I mean, if ES stays weak, NQ should be able to get the low of the range. I would have preferred this high to get taken though. Nearly had it.
I mean, the day is young,
yeah, true.
so we should be able to still hit.
Yeah. If we get below the gap, should be able to. I think ES looks, to be honest, lately in New York, ES has been the better market.
Yeah, for sure.
That was clean though. And we got below the gap, so.
I mean, usually when we're so out of sync with the rest, although now we're not out of sync, but then NQ usually just chops around a little bit.
Yeah, if we're gonna play catch up with ES, ES really needs to start like running some of these lows, then NQ will sell off more aggressive.
Basically pull it down.
Yeah. It's too strong. It's the strongest one out of these two. ES, I think, is the weakest. Same with Dow. Next to it. Oh, ES nearly at the low of my range for my model. How many trades do I take?
I think if we close below this gap, it would be pretty good towards the low.
On NQ, yeah, for my model. Should be able to reach it. It's a shame Dow, I mean, sorry, ES is already there. Should blow through this low, though.
The 3-minute didn't close yet, so waiting for that momentum.
Would you prefer algo trading over doing your own? What's algo trading?
Algorithm.
Oh, like having a bot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually have plans of making a bot, but I would never sell it. If you want to buy it, then you can pay me $1 million. Like, I'm gonna.
I mean, I gotta be honest. It sounds like a pretty good idea. It sounds like a pretty good deal.
That's actually what I was planning on doing. Just planning on making something that could outperform the S&P, and just pitching it to a hedge fund. And if a hedge fund offers me a decent deal, then I'll sell it online. And if you guys can match the price of a hedge fund, then you can have it. But the price of the hedge fund might be crazy.
That sounds good. I mean, I guess a hedge fund can already see more than we all can, but
I might just start my own hedge fund. Everyone there on my trading floor trades my model.
Oh, actually, I had a plan to do that.
Well, with my model.
Exactly.
Oh, yes.
That's the sauce.
Below. It is. And to think that I've only like taught like the tip of it, of the iceberg.
Oh.
Yeah. There goes.
So much more to come. I don't want Finn. What? You don't want to have the...
I don't want Finn.
DTR bot?
Oh, there's a ES dropping.
Although, like, algorithm trading is banned from most futures firms anyway. Automatic strategies.
Come on.
I mean, your model is pretty mechanic, so it should be easy to make one.
No, it is. It's easy, but then again, it's very discretionary in parts of like understanding when it should enter, how it should enter. And always gotta have like best entries for like longer term, you know, because it gets pretty subjective, I would say. I mean, ES is blowing through. Complete my model. NQ, I would have liked just one more tap of this high. What we were looking for, 26,274. Then again for the short. But we should be able to get this low in there.
Yeah, the 5-minute closed below. And look at the energy in the 5-minute though.
Yeah, it's slow. I mean, as long as ES stays weak, it should be enough to push NQ.
It's almost time to look into 1 hour close as well for ES. Could be huge.
ES was so good. I mean, in New York, mainly ES has been the better market. Wow, gold's got so many wicks right now.
I was looking at it as well. I think ES and NQ, ES and YM will be pulling down NQ heavily, at least to complete the lows.
Yeah, ES is gone. I mean, ES is dying. NQ should play catch up, run all these lows, get this low. It's such a shame we didn't get a poke above this high.
Yeah, that will probably have created more momentum.
Yeah, true. But again, my model played out. I'm surprised you didn't take that.
What?
With this trade, surprised you didn't take it.
Who said I didn't take it?
Oh, Finn took it. Bro, Finn took it without us, guys.
I can
He's too rich.
show you. If I know where my phone is, I can show you.
Do you think trading success is more about skill, definitely the skill of trading. Like, psychology is not the biggest impact. Psychology actually is a cope for most people for bad trading. Like, if you overtrade, over leverage, all of that stuff, most people say, "Oh, it's my psychology." Never take responsibility for what they did wrong. You know, it's always my strategy. Never.
Look at your WhatsApp, bro.
Let me see.
DayTradingRauf.
Bro, this is my #1 student, by the way, guys. Finn. Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
actually.
We're
My
gonna be doing.
RR on this?
I was gonna say, what was that? I mean, at least you're at break even now, anyway.
Yeah, it's break even now. I think it would be there's like crazy RR because I took a lot of risk, right?
Yeah.
So it would be almost 7 RR.
Damn. Dude, ES was good. Why is like I just opened my phone and everyone's just sending me these shorts that they just took. That's crazy. This is the power I hold of
Oh
my
yeah.
model.
I heard you move the market as well.
Yeah, only on Fridays. By the way, guys, someone mentioned Friday, so I have to mention what's going on Friday. I have to let them know.
The gap is holding price now, 3-minute gap.
This one, and I mean, as soon as ES just gets to this low, NQ should flush. I would expect it to. But I mean, to be honest, that was kind of a shame. If I got this high on NQ, then that's really what I was looking for.
Yeah.
I sent it in my Discord today. I was like, we still have the highs from Friday, potential for today's New York session to take them and go lower. That's really what I was looking for. Almost got it, almost to perfection. What's your advice for any beginner in futures from CFDs? First thing is welcome to futures. You're probably going to like it a lot more because the challenge accounts are more friendly, I would say, to getting payouts. And
yeah.
#1 thing I would say is don't think it's like the same kind of risk. You know, you get 10% drawdown, you get more drawdown in those accounts, so you can risk more. On these accounts, the drawdown's obviously less, but it's one stage, so always keep that in mind. So don't over leverage it.
Makes you be more disciplined as well.
Yeah.
I would feel like a lot of people start off with CFDs and eventually move to futures.
Yeah, I
I
think
think
everyone starts off like that, to be honest.
yeah, brokers also hold a lot more money in futures than in CFDs
Yeah.
because every single futures broker is regulated, right?
Yeah.
So
All right, ES is pushing. I mean, NQ should be able to get this final low. Gone. If you could go back to your first year of trading, what advice? Honestly, I probably wouldn't give myself any advice to change anything because I eventually got where I wanted to be. So in like trading is really no like cutting corners, you can say. You got to go through everything to get where you are.
I agree to that.
But you also got to be like a bit in a perspective as well. Like when I first started, I was like, imagine if I could make like 10K in a year just trading on like in a month. And then now some of my trades I risk 10K per trade across all my accounts. So it's always like a full circle moment sometimes.
Yeah, it's definitely on the spot what you said about you have to go through everything because I feel like people that haven't gone through anything in trading, they will eventually. Like you will get through it at one point.
But yeah. 100% a bit crazy you got to be. Yeah, true. I mean, this is like a really hard. I wouldn't say hard in terms of like understanding how to trade, but hard in terms of just managing yourself. Most people can probably open up a trading view and 50% of the time get right where the market wants to go, but like handling the losses that come with it and continuing when most quit is probably the hardest. How long did it take you to become like I started seeing consistent profits like 2 years into my journey, like that point. I started being profitable like month to month. Like this is my for the month of let me try and find the screenshot. So the month of October I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got like 7 to 8 payouts for the month of October, and that was all split through the month as well. So just compounding smaller trades, little wins, they always compound to bigger opportunities, you can say. Are you still holding NQ, Finn?
Yeah.
This thing should flush for you. I'm hoping it just dies like another.
I think it goes to the low that we marked earlier today that I
Yeah,
sent
this
you.
one. Yeah,
Yeah.
26,124.
I would hope it dumps more though, but that depends on how we go through the low.
Yeah,
If
it
we
has to
just
blast
wick on
through it.
it, I think I'm just gonna trail my stop loss, right? Which is something I usually do not do, but I feel like this could be like a scenario that could dump further or hold and then go up.
How long did
Depends
it
on the
take you to make
reaction.
$1 million from profits from trading? I've not made my first million from trading. Maybe I will soon. Maybe 2026 I will. I think overall I'm at like 400K in profits. Looking for the mill. Maybe next year, you know?
Well, it's gonna be a celebration.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We ran the lows on NQ.
Yeah. Neat.
But
I would expect us
dude,
to go a bit lower.
yeah, this should blast through this low, like 12 points. It's insane. It missed out just my high and then dropped off. Oh, there we go. We got the low.
Okay, I took one contract out there.
W.
W is in the chat. But as a bro, I'm in crazy profit right now.
What did you get? 3 minis?
2 minis. But this is a 50K
you're
account.
Probably have like 4K. 4K now?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is a 50K account.
Damn. To be honest, I don't really believe in... I don't like taking partials.
I don't either.
Well, you can hard TP, probably a lot better. Russians in celebrations with Finn. Do you guys believe Finn is Russian?
Well, that wouldn't be the first time, I gotta be honest with you. Always people think I'm Polish or Russian or somewhere from Eastern Europe. Does anyone actually know where I'm from? Yeah, W.
To be honest, you do have like an American accent.
I do have an American accent.
Yeah. It's like an American and I don't know. It's like mixed with something else.
You know what my wife said a week ago? She said, now you talk to Ralph so much, you start having a UK accent.
No, I think you have an American one. I think it's American.
Okay.
It's like American.
I don't mind anyways.
Yeah, it's like American mixed with something else. The something else I just can't pick of what it is.
The Dutch.
It's a bit like it's like the Dutch English. Actually, yeah, you know the Anua brothers? They're from like Netherlands, right?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they have like the same accent as you.
I feel like they have a stronger Dutch accent, but like a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like very strong. I mean, there we go. I mean, NQ got pretty much everything we wanted.
Yeah, they got out.
They got out of jail, yeah. What's Dubai jail like? I mean, you probably don't know, but
that's a sick assumption. But it's not what Dubai is like. Let's say that.
Yeah. NQ
it's
wanted 50%.
Not like Dubai at all.
I mean, ES already cleared everything, so NQ has no reason to go any lower. It's also has a bit of unfinished business to do up here, like 26, 274-ish.
If we would close above that 1 minute, I would close my whole trade.
Damn, ES is nearly at this low. ES was so good.
Yeah.
But I mean,
that would have definitely been the better trade to take, to be fair.
Yeah. Like if you trade my model, you've already made your money. First market open, first 30 minutes. You don't really need to do anything else. Just go.
I haven't been doing anything else for the last weeks.
Yeah, literally.
Yes, was surely clean. Yo, I'm looking at the 3 minute on ES. See the inversion that it made, how clean it was to the downside. You just had to combine 2 for value gaps, but that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Pretty sick close. Yes, now we hit that low as well.
Yeah, that was all pretty good. Did I take a trade today? No. I mean, yeah, I did. I traded London. I didn't trade New York, though. I would have traded New York if it ran this high. That's kind of what I was looking for.
Oh, this is an interesting question, I must say. What is the most underrated skill every trader should master?
Probably risk. Like,
but is it underrated? That's not underrated, is it?
I think it's underrated, like putting risk on. Like most traders end up doing this, right? Like the best days, they don't end up risking more. And on the days they shouldn't be risking more, they end up risking a lot more.
Less. Yeah. What? Oh, yeah, that they shouldn't be risking more. Yeah,
so
that's like, definitely true.
Like, I don't mean risk in terms like risking less per trade, but risking more on good days. I would
I
definitely
think that
say
comes
that.
with journaling as well, to be fair,
Yeah,
because you'll have to know what your good days are. I can tell you that in the beginning of the month, I usually do not do really well.
yeah, true.
It's mostly at the end of the month that I do better,
The last day of the
or
month
like
is really good.
half month.
How do you distinguish good and bad days? Good days are always going to come from your A plus setup, like this for me in my model. If I have a regular trading hours gap, we take out the high of the range. Bro, I'm selling the house. That's my A plus setup. That's why I was looking for this high to go lower. And obviously, if that doesn't fall within my A plus setup, then I'm not going to. Please give me one account, bro. You're not getting anything.
We
You're not
already
getting
did the
anything
giveaway
now.
in the beginning of the stream.
Yeah, you missed the giveaway, bro. It's already happened. It's happened, bro. You missed it.
If we get to 4K subscribers, we're gonna do a special giveaway for you guys.
I've been trading for like 6 months. Could you please give me one advice? Trade more. Most people won't say it, but you gotta trade more. Like you 6 months in, you gotta take more losses. You gotta take more wins. Build up that experience. And don't be scared to take positions too. And don't move to like funding your own account. Trade on demo, I would say. But damn, we got two. Oh, damn, we're already at 10 a.m. Stream went quick again.
Really quick. I feel like this one has been quicker than before. Even.
True. One instrument, mainly NQ. NQ, bro. It's got to be the one.
It's almost 10 a.m. news as well, though.
Yeah, we'll stick around to the news, just see how it comes out. Really like the stream with you guys. Glad you enjoyed it. Been trading for 3 years. Just finished my final year. Let's go. Should be able to lock it in. Dude, gold printed my model again. That was so quick. Everything pretty much gave it today. But yeah, we'll see what the news does. Do a stake live with Togi. Bro, Togi's not going to hop on a live with me. Or Finn. I wish he did.
I'm afraid not.
Yeah, if you could
You can
just go
tag us in the video, in his
yeah,
videos.
yeah, just let him know that we will fund this challenge account. But yeah, I mean, that was the news. Really didn't do much. Gold started to push higher.
Didn't do much at all.
Still within here.
Stalling.
Losses. Yeah, run all these lows. But I hope you guys did enjoy this. I mean, kind of what we were looking for played out. Looking for the highs to get taken on NQ. Just missed it and then dropped off. But in terms of my model goes, played out very nicely. So if you do have any questions, you can put them on the stream's comments and me and Finn can get back to you. We're going to be live again on Friday together, and then every Monday and Friday, and then I'll be live on Wednesday as well. So for the giveaway, what should we do?
Let's see. Today was a W, wasn't it?
Yeah, you guys could just spam W.
I just hit my TP, by the way.
Oh, it did drop off. Nice.
Had 8R.
So you guys just spam W's and me. I'll pick a winner, and then Finn will pick a winner as well from the giveaway.
I'm freezing again.
I got one day trading Tate. Is that Andrew Tate in your profile picture?
He's gonna fight in Dubai, by the way.
Oh
Who's
yeah,
gonna come and visit?
He bought Misfits.
All right, that's one.
Yeah, Finn's gonna pick his.
Sage. Congratulations with your giveaway accounts, guys.
Yeah, if you guys didn't win, I mean, I think Ethan's going live today. Matt's going to be live tomorrow, and then I'll be live Wednesday, and then me and Finn are back live on Friday. So I hope you guys did enjoy the stream. Got a win out of today, following what we were looking for, and I'll speak to all of you on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your day and be safe.
Ciao, ciao, guys.